Tonight, a push to change how police around the state respond to mental health crisis coming to Buffalo. The latest effort comes more than 2 years after Daniel Prude from Rochester died at the hands of police when they violently arrested him in March of 2020. The fallout from the incident causing Rochester's police chief to resign in September of that year. The 3 officers involved were cleared of criminal charges in April 2021. This time last year, the Rochester Police Department served 1 officer involved with his death departmental charges. So today, on what would have been Prude's 43rd birthday, people across the state gathered to call for first responders to take a different approach to mental health emergencies. Sydney Orr takes us to Johnny B. Wiley Pavilion for the story.
I watched very closely how they mishandled my brother, and the whole world watched it.
But now, Daniel's brother, Joe Prude, says it's time for the world to make a change and says this Daniel's Day event is the perfect day to get started.
Let's not let history continue to repeat itself. Let's change that format now.
Several communities across New York State are standing behind Prude. Cities like Rochester, Brooklyn, Albany, and Buffalo all joining in on the conversation of what that change should look like.
Really reimagining public safety, having conversation around police no longer responding to mental health calls.
Alia Williams says Daniel's Day is to educate the community about what resources are available and push to establish even more.
This bill and so many others would save lives.
Advocates are working to pass Daniel's Law, which would call for police to be removed as the default response to mental health and substance use crises. They are also hoping to implement a community responder team. The CRT would be composed of 1 peer, 1 licensed clinician, and 1 medic, a response team they say would be more beneficial, especially in underrepresented communities.
In Black and brown communities, we experience a lot of trauma that is undiagnosed. Poverty is trauma. And the type of violence that we see even within our own households and within our own community is another form of trauma, right? Lack of resources and school systems and education, that's trauma. And so being able to provide the proper resources can change someone's life. Best Self's Kartika Kaur also assures people that mental health professionals are trained in de-escalation tactics. And while Prude and his family can't change the past, he says it makes him feel good to know that his brother's life has not been forgotten, but a catalyst for so much change.
I think if Daniel was in a room of this magnitude of people right now, he'd have everybody out there seats laughing right now. He was a good guy.
Sydney Orr, 7 News, Buffalo.
A reminder, if you're struggling with your mental health, there are resources available. Crisis Services has 24/7 hotlines. You can see the numbers for Erie and Niagara counties on your screen. You can also dial 988 for the National Suicide Hotline.